Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? And today we are cruising the Skidoo contest page. This is really cool. We have here's the contest they have right now. Holy cow. Win your dream accessorized Skidoo sled. You see the contest rules here. Oh, when you click that, it downloads. Look at that. So I guess you won't see them on the screen. And what's it say? Complete the information below to be entered to win the Skidoo sled of your choice. Plus, you'll get to fully customize your sled with genuine Skidoo accessories with a total value sled plus accessories up to 24,000 Canadian. CAD stands for Canadian dollars. The winner will be chosen December 10th, 2021. Enter now and good luck. And so the required fields, that means you must enter those fields. First name, that's the name that is not the same as the rest of your family. So my name is Sue. How do you do? And you put your last name, this name, your last name. This is the name that's the same as the rest of your family. My father's name is Scholler. My mother's name is Scholler. My last name is Scholler. When you get married, you might have the same last name as your spouse, your husband or your wife. Address, enter a location. So I'm going to put in where I am right now, 251 Kent Street West. And it shows up as Kawartha Lakes, and there's the country. It popped it in already. And interesting, they changed the postal code on me. That's not the postal code I was told was here, but anyway, that's kind of weird. Let's see here. Can you change that? No, you can't change that. I wonder if I take this out. And let's see what happens if I put in my old address. My old address was box 249 Addo Wapascat. What does it do with that? Oh, I've got the address in the wrong place. Town is in the wrong place. Wapascat. And this is where you would want to be able to have one of these, because when the rest of the country is not freezing, that's the place to go for snow. And the postal code there is Peter Zero Lord, One Almighty Zero. Okay. Now it doesn't say that you have to actually put that in. Look at that. I just noticed that. You have to put in your first name, your last name. This is optional. I'm wasting my time. Don't need to put your phone number in. You do need to put your email address in. My email address is sister, SISTER, SUHOTELDIEU at gmail.com. Subscribe to receive e-newsletters and promotional e-links from Skidoo. I'll do that. I can opt out later if I want to. I wish to receive commercial communications from Bombardier Recreational Products Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, its dealer and distributor network, and select third parties via email, text message, post, telephone, telemarketing, or other means of communication. I think I'll leave that. They can contact me if I win. Oh, here's another way to see the rules. Let's see if we can see them here. Oh, that just downloads them again. So you have to download it to read it. That's too bad. So I have entered. So that's as easy as can be to enter that. Sign up for their emails. If you want to, you could become a dealer, and that's not the kind of bad dealer. It's to deal skidoos. Talking about people not wanting to. Media reviews and awards. Let's take a look at that. Taking a sea cruise of skidoos. There, look at all the snow there. You can watch the videos. Let's click on that. Okay. This takes us to Snow Tech Magazine. We'll click that. I thought we were going to be watching a video. Here it is. There's the video there. Okay. Oh, you can copy and embed it. There we are.
Hi, Jerry Matthews, Snow Tech Magazine. I got the unique opportunity today to ride the new Skidoo 850 Turbo.
Hey, you can watch
sled
them on YouTube.
is going to be released later today, and
okay. So first ride review. So somebody posted a review. Hey, maybe if you do a review, they'll post your review too. So lots of things to see there. Let's go back here. There's the Win. This is where you can find Skidoo School. That's pretty cool. There's the Win A Skidoo there. Skidoo School. School is in session. Our experts share insider tips to make your next ride the best yet. So this may be something you'd like to learn how. New, what's in your sled glove box with Tony Jenkins? So these are all Tony Jenkins learn how to do different things. Keeping your goggles clear with Tony Jenkins. Everybody needs this these days. Oh man, I wear goggles to protect my eyes like the rest of you guys.
Goggles and having fogging issues. I don't care what goggle manufacturer is out there, every goggle is going to fog. If your head is wet and if you're sweating, your goggles are going to fog. Another thing to help prevent fogging is always keep the top of your head dry. As soon as your head is wet, that's going to create moisture inside the helmet, which will create moisture inside the lens of the goggle. So every time I take my helmet off, I always make sure
somebody gave me a little tip the other day for my goggles, and they told me to use Dawn dish detergent in it. I wish I could find that gentleman to remember everything he told me when he was in the store. And we can, if you're wondering what this little thing is, that's my Tube Buddy. I have the free Tube Buddy extension, which is really cool. I just wanted to mention, it also gives you a view on all kinds of things to help you with YouTubes. So if you are making YouTubes or even watching YouTubes, this is a great free thing for you to use. It's got messages there. They have tips with Trina, how to set up your channel for success in 2021. Wednesday, February 3rd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So that's pretty cool. Industry news. So you can see top 50 most watched U.S. YouTube channels. And milestones. There's my milestones. Hey, I got a new milestone today, 40 uploads. I have 8 subscribers. Please subscribe to me. And when you subscribe, leave a note down in the comments below before you go so I can say hi to you and chat or answer any questions there. And you say, oh, I don't want to talk to that old bat. But maybe you do. I might have something great for you. Good. I'm very happy to be here with you. It's so nice to be with you because they told me October 1st I was going to die. But me oh my, here I am talking with you. Maybe I'm in heaven. Remember to pray. Things change that way. Have a great day. Expect a miracle when you pray. Expect it every day. Expect a miracle when you pray. God bless and good night.